What is your life like, now that you're driving your own direction completely, going into unexplored territory versus things like working at the bank before? You seem to be working a lot more now.
It's a lot more, but it's also a lot more rewarding. Entrepreneurs usually put in a lot more work, but at the same time, I feel like you're a lot more. I'm not working for a company to make them all the money, stressing myself out. Even though I stress out a lot, still, it's for myself. And I kind of control where the stress goes, kind of. But it's scary sometimes going into new places like this new technology with Web3. It is scary, and I don't know where it might go, but I have a very good feeling that it's going to be something very big within the next few years, hopefully. And I'm pretty sure every company is somehow going to get into this space, just because if they want to keep up with everyone else, you're going to have to start making the move. And I'm glad that we are the first exotic car company that's going to go into that space. And we're already so far ahead. I'm not really worried about anyone trying to come and compete with us right now. So
That's awesome.
it's scary and very exciting at the same time. So I'm